Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Gboard is active. Go to Settings and set Gboard as your default input method so the steps work. Then open a messaging or note app and tap a text field to summon the keyboard. Once the keyboard appears, look for the smiley face icon or long press the comma/enter key. This reveals Emoji. Do this now so you can follow the next steps immediately. Having the keyboard visible speeds the selection and personalization process. Once the emoji panel is open, swipe through category tabs, people, nature, food, activities, to visually scan options. If you want a specific emoji quickly, tap the search icon and type a short keyword such as heart or smile. This filters results instantly. Tap an emoji to insert it into your message. If you need several, keep tapping or long press where variants show skin tones or gendered versions. Make sure to combine emoji with text Finish by customizing Gboard. Open Gboard settings and enable emoji suggestions and personalized stickers so the keyboard predicts emoji while you type. If emoji won't appear, check for an app update in the Play Store and restart your device. Incompatible app versions often block the emoji panel. Also confirm your keyboard layout and language support emoji. Switch to another language temporarily to test. If problems persist, clear Gboard cache or reinstall. That usually resolves corrupted files and brings emoji back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.